I have done some new content sharing with you some of the new products that I've added to my crafting space. So I'm going to unbox this and we're going to take a look at it, take a look at the directions, how to use it. So hopefully in a follow-up video, I'm going to be able to share with you some of the projects that I'm working on and some of the new things that I'm able to create with it. So let's get on with it. So this came from Amazon. You can also buy these products. I think I saw it at Michael's and Joann's as well. I'm not sure if they're available in store or you have to order them, but I got mine I purchased mine from Amazon yesterday. Okay, so this is what it is. I bought the Cinch machine from We Are Memory Keepers, and the one I purchased has the square pegs. Now the reason I bought this machine, it is because of the other item that I've added to my crafting space in the garage, and that is a laser. So I will share that information with the laser in a separate video, but that was the reason that I wanted this machine. So anyway, let's get to unboxing. So this does come in two different varieties. Like I said, I bought the pink one, which is the squares, and it also comes with the round hole punches. And this is the regular Cinch, not the mini. So we have an instruction book, and then I don't know what else is in here, but we're going to find out. So a piece of foam, and this is what it looks like inside. That's it. That's all that's in here. Not a lot of junk to put together, just the machine and the instructions. So let's see. All right, let me get that out of the way. Okay, so the instruction book, I can tell you it comes with a couple different languages: English, French, German, Spanish, but I need the English version. So I'm going to go ahead and get that opened all the way. Put this back because that's getting into the French, which I don't need because I don't speak French and I can't read French. So this is your instruction sheet. And I need to get some glasses because I can't read this. All right, first things first. First page goes over telling you what all the components are of your machine. And the second part, quick guide, so goes through quickly how to punch, how to bind, and how to cinch it together. And then down below, it looks like there's some more detailed information about adjusting your pegs and all of that stuff, because these, I know this is an elastic holder that will hold the arm down, so you keep that engaged when you're not using it, and then when you need to use it, release it. I can tell you right off, it has your inches for your measuring. It also has centimeters, which is something I'm going to do in another video, is using the centimeter guide, because I specifically bought this because I want to be able to make A6 and A5 planner notebooks. And I had a hard time finding information about this online. So I think that's something that's missing in the YouTube space. So that will be in another video as soon as I get a chance to figure out how this works. So these are the pegs that control the holes. This area right here is where you hook your binder pieces, your binder clips on, and you load your pages into this, and then at the back is where you're actually going to cinch them. And it does come with this guide here. This is the little knob. It says you push and turn, and you can adjust the width of your rings depending on what rings you have. For example, Oh, I have this set that I got from Amazon. I'll have to go look it up in my order because I'm not sure what size I bought. But I'll have to turn and adjust this depending on what size rings that I purchased and that I'm going to be cinching. So basically that is the gist of the machine. Is you use this first part. It also has a ruler so that you can do up to 13 inches or 33 centimeters. And you can, when you don't want to use the holes, I did see this much, that you pull the peg out and that disengages the puncher for each one of these. And then to store it, very simply, push it down, lift your clip that's on a little strap and hold the handle down, and this is it. It's very small, it's really lightweight, and I think it's, personally, I've looked at a few of these and I liked this one because it was more compact and not like some of the larger, more industrial size ones. I don't have room for that, so I think this will be a good option for me. So this is just the quick unboxing, and like I said, this is the pink one that I bought that has the square pegs, and there's also another version that has round. And this is the regular Cinch, not the mini. So anyway, if you have any questions or things that maybe you want to see how to use this machine, which I will post videos on that coming up later as soon as I get a chance to really go through the directions and look at it, leave them down below, and maybe you'll give me some ideas of things that I didn't think of that maybe I want to try. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.